Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Monday. I hope you're having a great day so far today. New start of the week. I hope the weekend was good. Mine was pretty good actually. Didn't do a whole lot, although Saturday I met somebody on TikTok long time ago. And there's a group chat that I'm on with all these people and everything, and it's a lot of fun. So I finally met Mike out in Bensonville, and we went to the Royal Buffet. Here's a picture of the Royal Buffet out in Schaumburg, and let me tell you, talk about gluttony. It was pretty amazing. There was a lot of it's all seafood, but they had crab legs and crawfish and all sorts of shrimp, all sorts of stuff. And we just did it as kind of a one and done thing, but a little expensive after taxes, everything, like $43. So, and I really did not eat for almost 24 hours after that. It was a lot. I mean, I didn't overstuff myself, but oh my God. The crab legs, you had to wait in line to get the steamed ones that came out, and I just didn't do that. But I kind of tried a little bit of everything, and it was a good time. And it was nice meeting Mike. You know, it was a beautiful day, kind of a cooler Saturday, but really, really nice. So, thank you to him. But had a good time. So, the Royal Buffet. Yeah, if you want to go there, just don't eat for like a week before. Working on lectures and podcasts this week. That's what's going on in my life. It's a busy time. I'm trying to get some more work for June for Pride Month. So if you're looking for a lecture, look at gregarbert.com right here below. And book me. I got a lot of great dates left over, lots of great things to talk about, and we all need some love, support, inclusivity, everything right now in all our lives. So support me, I'll support you. It's a great program. Going up north to Michigan a week from Thursday. So those of you that are up there, thank you for the seasoning orders already, the Gregor seasoning orders. If you need to order, you've got till noon on Wednesday of this week so I can prepare and get everything ready. And that's at gregorseasoning.com. Couple things. I ran across this picture that I'm going to show you right now of Big Boy. It used to be the Elias Brothers Big Boy, I remember, in Michigan. Not a lot of them left. And the Big Boy restaurants, I really liked them because I enjoyed the Big Boy sandwich. It was like a takeoff of the Big Mac. And then they had like a salad bar I really liked too, the soup and everything. I'm a big salad bar person. And they were great, but they kind of dwindled. I think COVID ruined a lot. There's very few of them left. So I ran across this picture, and then some information I kind of dug into I wanted to share with you. But there is a Big Boy graveyard I gotta make sure I got this right, just west of Marquette, Michigan. That's on the UP. Now, I'm sure there's some of these Big Boys in other areas, but it's known as this kind of elusive Big Boy graveyard. They're out in the middle. You have to go down a 2-track, and they're out in the woods somewhere. Here's a picture, but kind of creepy. But these statues were just, you know, icons at these restaurants, and their logo, everything that you had, everything was Big Boy. The Big Boy sandwich, you know, they had the statue out front and everything. So, yeah, but the graveyard is known as one of the weirdest graveyards in Michigan. And the articles I read, now, if some of you in the UP know this at all, but I don't know if that graveyard, if they're still there, if the Big Boys are there, or if the Big Boys are there, if they're there, or if they've been moved or whatever. So some reports said it's no longer there. Some says it is. So I'm just kind of intrigued by that. So kind of the oddity, everything. So, and the other thing I want to let you know, on Wednesday's post, I'm going to talk to you and share with you about my obsession with Bigfoot, UFOs, and the Loch Ness Monster back in the day. And to this day, I still follow these crazy Bigfoot videos that are on TikTok or Instagram. You know, they never find them, but you can hear them in the woods and stuff. And I just get really intrigued by it. I think maybe one time as a kid, and I'll share this with you on Wednesday, I think I may have heard a Bigfoot up in Atlanta, Michigan. That's between Atlanta and Onaway. Well, at Cattle Creek Ranch, between Atlanta and Onaway in northern Michigan. I may have heard one back in the day. So I'll share all that. It's just kind of a quirky little post, but I thought it'd be kind of fun to share because I've been intrigued about this since I was a young boy. So that's all I'll share with you. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Ring the bell. Ding dong, ding dong. And I will see you on Wednesday. I hope you have a great few days. Thanks for checking in with me. Subscribe, like, and share. Give me some loving. Like. I'll see you Wednesday. Take care.